Ka Integrated Child Development Services ICDS Amlarem katanat ka kwat ka khia bat katanat puli puthi hakalai pho tarik nailor kila penkut no ya ka program Poshan Maah ka ba shibnai lenter ha ka jingalang ka balalong has im jingsug hall Amlarem. Hakan negasi ladon lang u Dr. A. Saini IAS kum ukong san kat baka kong Arpasa Assistant Commissioner for Person with Disabilities kalalong kum kesembut kong san. Uba GLC melim BDO ka Amlarem CNRD block ki wahe shnong ki officer na kitanat rekam baper bat ki wei. U A Saini kum ukong san haka jingkran ulaong baro ki ar sorkar ka sorkar pedeng bat ka sorkar jela ki yatri lang ban penti kena ya ka kot ka khya ka jinghe jingsan bat biang ki jingbam batei haki kena u ong ru ka jingla ban pelaj ba ya ka menu jong ka ICDS kan salong ka jing mentoy na marlayo iya ka jingkiu ka kot ka khya haki kena baduna ki jingbam batei u portoru ya ki sahab ka kot ka khya bat ki kenhun badai pej hapo ka ni ka blok baling ba ka jingshim khya ka jongki ban penlong ya ki jingalang baper kilala ban itu ya ki kena ki longkmie baduna ya ki jingbam batei khamtam e haki longkmie armen.
Is going to be very important and vital in ensuring a very good health, growth and nutrition for the children of Meghalaya. Especially I have seen that the meals that are already given, as I was discussing with the CDPO, they are not really tasty and are not liked by the children or the beneficiaries. So it is very important as our principal secretary sir has also decided to do some local level inclusion of locally made meals which are not just nutritious but delicious also. So that will go a long way in ensuring nutritional security for the children and including diets which are rich in iron, protein and they are locally available, so much easier to procure and reduction in the transport cost also. So I am hoping that this menu has been curated, we will be able to include some of the items in the diet of the Anganwadis. And already as a result of this Poshan Maah, we have seen the result that we have been able to improve the health of certain man children. I would like to commend even the medical officers also who have been coordinating with the Anganwadis and with the CDPO as well as the block team with the sector meetings where they have identified these man and Sam children or women who are in need of looking after the care for the anemia, because we do have a very high rate of anemia especially among the pregnant and lactating mothers. So with this concerted effort and this intersectoral efforts from the various departments, I am sure that in future Amlarem we will be able to ensure the anemia mukt Bharat also, starting with Amlarem, we will achieve very good results. So again, I would like to thank CDPO and the ICDS project Amlarem team for calling me today. It was a really good experience for me to see all the activities they have done, and I hope the momentum is continued in the future and doesn't just stop with the Poshan Maah. And again, to all the Anganwadi workers and supervisors who are present, it is because of you that we are able to achieve the ground level results. Please keep the momentum going. My best wishes to all of you. Thank you so much.
Hai shuwa ka Child Development Project Officer ka kong HB ha ka jingkran lamprang kalapan iru ya ki project baper ba ki lapan dep hapo uni ubnai ki baya dei ba ka koi ka khya kentup na du ki jing hikai ki lanmet ki jing hikai ban bam ban thung ki jingbam batei ban lek khuit ba ki wei de ki bala ai jingkran uba en lamare wa he shnong sak pator u Dr. A Khongla Block Medical Health Officer Amlarem. Hagan ni kasi ukong san ula pelaj paj baru ya ka menu jong ka ICDS la sam kusnam ru shakinong job haki jinga ko baper bat la pun ku burom ru ya ki village organization ka than Amlarem ke bala kershan na ka bentaban penlong ya ka Poshan Maah ka bajab. Nalor kata la pun ku burom ru ya ki nong trei Anganwadi ke bala trei stom na ka bentaban pej ngor iya ka kot ka khya ki khyllung khna.
We call it as a nutrition month. We have a lot of activities under the theme of anemia prevention, growth monitoring, effective service delivery through good governance and technology, Poshan Bhi, Parai Bhi, and also this supplementary nutrition.
Focus kejap ini yang kini ke 7th Rashtriya Poshan Maah. We to put rock the empowerment of women through nutrition. empowerment of women through nutrition. Imut ka kate, ka sauta ka perchanggo. Kat on la ya kubbo ya ka manbei. Na try tin jo siapa pi kamtam ki self group. No? Empowerment of women. Tahu? Kena ka tin empowerment of women man ka kawi ka tin ko em kam hai in sang thoi. And betul the nutrition month, the club no ika wa ka empowerment of women through nutrition. Ka sang thoi wala da ka manbei. Mem man go wa check ko kia. Mem man go ko biang iti pam iti betai ka men. Mie ko ka chakram. Mie ko pendet iti kamram go ro. Na do na yuk hadu halai. Tak he. Ni pak da em ka sebab kau le. La da memang ka men ka pat ko check ko kia. Im ye le ye le. Ta ka man le ye ka ta ka men ko check ko kia yo ai. Tak lumpa ka nutrition. Na ka ba. Ki bam le ki ba. Tay ka met ngat kelam pun dia hi tok ka bang mar ba stong tu da kelam da tay neu hi pha ka bang ko focus kacak ka ko nusnem Rashtriya Poshan Maah da focus ha ko wi tok ha ka ko wi tok anemia prevention ngayu da bon ha program ka le hi hay tok wa ka anemia prevention da te em kan hai sa ko iwa ka anemia man ko wi ko life threatening ko ye u penduk ya kita sip yo em kam ha le to ki manbe ki khana le to ki khrak lut la the i kwa he u ong pi wa good food is never expensive ka bam ko ham to masat bot sen i jo lai i so feel jo ong ni ki bru wo bam phagi ma man ong ni bam pha memang betul bang pelai bang lekah bang dok bang kek itu macam ni no but haptiki mungkin kita ke good food kita biang kita ke nutritive values well kenai pi ku em senang tentang macam pi biang pi kita jemput tidak if chances soalnya ke nutritional food no lagi yo ini ini yang tidak ibu kita ada diet kita ada flat dawai no the pi kita dah empower kita dah ni untung siapa But and good food is again orang biang pi untuk wasat it is not expensive. Wasat pakan dengan tinggal di bawah ni di junk food se. Wasat pakan boleh di bawah macam restoran. Tak he. Ketua wasat nak cek pi hayung ki jhur tu yok pi nak per. Kat man ke kotai kan mek. Heju ipor mem man ke kuat saat dok. Ma. There kuat ada point kuat mention ini wo ongi effective service delivery through good governance. More effective service delivery. Mut kajin ye service yang caki cunang ni tahu through good governance. Mana orang good governance mah kajin penlai iki scheme, kajin penwan iki scheme. Mana kelam biang ye ke governance, lene ye ke government. Untuk orang ni bagi tay ko chok shalom, lene tay ko chok chuki. No, waro we are a part of the government. Waro mentai ke government. Tentu OPL ke sorkar. Itu kita use bahaya no. Tak he. Ke sorkar memang pakat ke ke sorkarอยู่ bên ke ke sorkar memang kutu lok ke tak he. But finally pi dah ke sorkar. Tak ngau pi. No. Ladi ke service ko biang. Ladi crash ke ide mesin ko khoi ke sorkar dah yo he ga. Ye ko chipot tangwa Dapur ini kita report ko sarkar daun dua yang te jingle stom yang ti. Siapa dah job ti? Utai underweight dan new malnourished children. Dia ye buku normal tak he. Kam tam ni akan beri orang itu. Tanggung champion ko tak tu jok kena next month drop dia. Ye drop kejut saja. Kalau ada monitor hati dah drop jok ke itu. Nanti dah kam ni itu very challenging. Ma entah kalau Cina kami tetap dekat Cina itu, lesuk, no? Nanti dah pi hamman bah pi, juga fikir, juga pet bah update. Kat ni kan yang pertai berak sok smartphone ni, no? Berak sok itu phone, kamtu no? Kesarkan lagi kita pijan, phone hande hoi dan kale, ma? Ngal experience ni itu buat orang hoi ga, buat nanti gua happy use dari personal phone yang pi, miak sapi, tak boleh berkam. Itu di phone yang pi to ki wa em hai ki jum to yo yo pi yang information ban yang telefon nak bentang yo pi yang kita information you biar konbek. Tamu what is more challenging to menepoi hak complementary feeding. Bos dah you ba ini kon yang kadang wan ru benai ada ibu. Tak hei tu pun sen hak kena tu yo juti ke prai penhiar ke indo ilek. Nempak mana sedang lu complementary feeding. Em cam hau ke kiri wenung kong tak kejenglet kot. Cleanliness is very important. And for the epidexia, kamang lumie tu dah kot. Men jemput ko. Un hai tu bro. Biang ni bang mi di ki. Biang ke kau cak ni tang le let kot pi. Ketua sep ai. Te kejenglet kot man ko wi ro em cam ha. Jo stress ye pi. Yo chat ki di bang yo tei ke met. Tang wa how to cook it. Kamu chat. Kat 1 minute. Kat 1 second, kamu nusai, tak ni. Siapa fikir ha, dia berkompon kod, dia kita midi, dia kita yang ni ngari yo ke wash le, punya kita ni, ini kita hand washing, kita techniques, everything. The MK na AP wo, unek ke mo ke